Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. This is chaotic.allure here, and I am back with another video. And today I'm going to show you guys how I did this cute curly ponytail and literally like under 10 minutes. Super easy to do, and I actually really enjoy this ponytail. I don't want to say it is because I haven't done like ponytails like that in a long time, but this was my go-to ponytail when I used to like do ponytail. This was my go-to curly ponytail. So this is really my go-to ponytail. I've been doing this since I was in high school, and when I used to wear bundles for my ponytail, because I really like to elongate my hairstyle. My hair. This was my go-to, like I said, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. And I'm using hair from Elfinhair. They sent me 2 bundles, and so far I'm not having any problems with shedding and things like that. I'm only going to be strictly keeping these bundles to do my ponytail. I really like how fluffy it is and the curl pattern, and it goes really nicely with my hair. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media. They're gonna be on the screen somewhere. Don't forget to go and follow me on Twitch, and also subscribe to my second YouTube channel. And yeah, so like I guess in my second channel it's gonna be more so like IRL and streaming wise, where you guys see the unedited, uncut version of me. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, so let's get right into it, okay? Also, I filmed the makeup for this look right here. I film it, I'm going to be posting it, and I'm gonna leave it on the screen for you guys to go check it out. And yeah. Okay, so guys, I had my hair in braids for the past week, and what I did was I left the middle braiding parts, and I'm going to just unbraid. I unbraided the perimeter so that it would be easier, like a flatter ponytail, because my hair is so thick it is hard for me to comb it through. So I just did this, and it's going to be a smaller braid and everything. So that's my trick for my ponytail. You see it covers everything, and yeah, voila. So what I'm doing now is I'm taking down because I did 3 braids in the middle and they're staying braided. I'm using some mousse, and I'm going around the perimeter of my head, and then I'm using this edge booster. The pink one preferably is my favorite one, so I am doing this with my hands with it, and I'm just applying it all over the perimeter like this. Okay, and I'm gonna add a little bit more for the back, and then I'm taking a brush. Let's move this away, and I'm just gonna brush as I'm doing this. I'm making sure that my ponytail is nice and tight, and that the braids are covered, and that it's kind of smooth, because we are going to be doing a curly pony. And honestly, we don't even have to worry about how the back looks, because the hair is going to cover that. So let's focus on the front, like here. And I'm adding a little bit of more mousse right here so that I can brush it easier. now we have this going on, okay? So I'm taking this rubber band and I'm going to tie it. If you don't have thick hair, or you know a trick to do your ponytail easy peasy, you can do that, but honestly that's my trick, just braiding the middle or even doing one big braid, and actually not one, two to four, but I like to do I did 3 because my hair was braided that way, and it was easier. So after that I am just tying this like this, okay? Like this. All right, it's tied, and then I'm going to just do that. So now that we have this, I'm just gonna split it into 3 and just braid, do a bigger braid, and all we are left with is this. So I'm just doing this like so, and I'm going to do a little tiny bun, and that also helps for the bun to be smaller, because look, tuck this in and then turn it. Now we have a small bun like so, and I'm putting a little thing to keep it, you see? I know this is a little bulky right here, but that's fine because the hair is gonna cover it. All right, so now the big reveal. The big reveal of what hair we're using. So we are using Elfin hair. They actually sent this hair to me, and it's bundles. I got 2 bundles, but let me show you guys what comes in the pack. It comes with a comb, information on the hair, and what is this? Oh yeah, you know, that's their card and stuff, their social medias on it. It's Elfin hair, and also some lashes, which is really nice. These ones actually look really nice. So that's it. I ended up getting 26-inch and a 24-inch bundle, and we're gonna use this to do a thick, fluffy, curly ponytail. And yeah, this is the natural curl pattern, and it's in the curl. What's the curl? Is this deep wave? I think this is deep wave, and yeah, it's really nice. It's matching. And I'm going to do my ponytail. So this is what we have now. And I'm just gonna double the width. I'll take a little section of the end, I'll mash it together. And I'll take a little section like this, right? And I will tie it around here. This is all I'm using. I'm not even putting any bobby pins or anything yet, and I'm just going around my head with it. And this is the type of ponytail I want to go with, but if you guys want me to show you guys different methods of how to do ponytails, I can definitely do that for you guys. So now I take a bobby pin, and I'm going in the middle of the weft, and I'm just slicking that in there for now. Okay? Okay? So now, this is the fun part, right? So now all the hair is going like this. So now we have the base, and this is the base. And we're going to take this, and I'll tie it at the top, right? Hold on. I actually tie this at the top part so that, you know. And if you want extra security, like You can bobby pin it, but I never need to do that because I don't do much to my head. And I'm going to wrap it upwards. Like I'm wrapping it upwards on this bun that I have. But because I'm doing it upwards like this, I am going to be using bobby pins for the first three wraps. So like I just wrapped one here. So I'm putting a bobby pin in so that it could stay on top of this mountain that we have on top of our heads. And then I'm wrapping it again once more. And then I'm going to bobby pin it. Push it in there. Okay, so now I have this, right? And all I do now you can see I flip it back and now I have a high ponytail going on, and all you're gonna make sure to do is make sure all the hair is going in the back to cover that top part. Okay? And trust me, I do this all the time, but the only thing with this method is you can really only do it with curly hair, because if it's straight, they're going to see it. This is my go-to method for my ponytails with my bundles, but if I want to be all extra and make it like longer, I will go and wrap it around the braid. But today I just wanted something quick to take pictures or quickly go out to eat. I would not recommend this method for like nightclubs if you're gonna go and you're gonna dance crazy, because you know it's not like that. It's not, the hold is not 10 out of 10. Like this hold is probably like a 6.5 out of 10 if you're not gonna be moving your head around a lot or do extreme exercises. Then do this. But if you are, I would recommend wrapping it and bobby pinning it more. But I know I'm just gonna be taking pictures, so this is fine for me. So this is really the ponytail, and I really hope you guys go home and try this and tell me what you guys think. Also, I'm gonna add this right here at the top so that it would be really cute. And it's just a little satin silk like scrunchie thing. And yeah, you guys will see the full look after, because I hate when I have ponytails like this, especially when I wrap it like that. It just stays like that. Even with the hair wrapped around it, I like to add some type of color to it, and that ends up always looking really good. So that is one of my recommendations, but I hope you guys really like this. So I'll be back, okay?